Welcome to the behind the screen of GMod Smile. Today, I'll take you through a process creating a complete video. What our team goes through to make it happen. Let's different. We start with the more important step, organizing and filming the DIY project. This is the head of the entire process. The team comes up with ideas, prepares materials, arranges each step, and captures the work creative journey on camera. During the DIY process, unexpected, interesting, and sometimes hilarious moments naturally happen, or to bring the more engaging experience to our viewers. Next comes the editing stage in Premiere. We manually add multi-layers, including custom title, sound effects, and transition and to ensure high quality styling. And finally, the first thing you see, but the last thing to complete, is a thumbnail. Its thumbnail is cleverly crafted with attention to every detail to grab your attention at first glance. Once the video is polished, it needs to reach the audience that when our sales team step in. They research keywords and optimize description and chat to make sure the most nice video appear to at the right time in the right place on your feed. That's the journey of creating a video at GMod Smile. Not just content, but a passionate and dedicated creative process from our entire team. Thank you for always supporting and accompanying us. We truly appreciate it.